Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to cancel Shopify subscription. So first you have to log into your Shopify, make sure that this is the account that you want to log in. Now go to the left side, scroll down and look for settings or tap on this gear icon. Here in settings, what you're going to do is look for the plan option, tap on plan option, and if you are currently a trial version here in Shopify before you proceed with purchasing a plan. So all you have to do to cancel that is tap on this cancel trial right here. Tap this one. Then it will take you directly to this, and all you have to do is to read the instruction and you have to read the following information right here. Once done and you want to proceed to cancel, then all you have to do is tap this one and then proceed with the continue button. Now you have to select the reason why you want to cancel your Shopify. So let's just say for the sake of this tutorial, you want to cancel because it's just for testing out the Shopify. So you have to look for that. You can add more information, additional reason, but actually this one is optional right here. And then once done, proceed with continue. And as you can see right here, your store will close and you will lose the access of your data. Tap on to continue. And then you will be notified that you have canceled your trial right here. And if you want to reopen, you need to go and then open a plan again, open a store again. And basically, that's how easy it is to cancel Shopify subscription. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.